Hi, this is Marianela Naninka from ToDo Robotics. We are a company that specializes in distribution of automatic solutions and robotics solutions for the hospitality and food service industry. Let me introduce the babies of the companies. They are our robots. We have PuduBot 2, KittyBot, and BellaBot. We are specialized in delivery robots. And in this case, we are introducing our new line of promotional robots, where we can use it for promotion of products, articles, or any kind of content that you need to walk and go around in different areas and venue. It is a very useful and understanding product, and it had cloud-based content that could be managed directly by the client. So visit our website, www.todorobotics.com. Bye.